Hewson YT. Tech for content creation.
Welcome to another YouTube quick tip series, and today it's all about the Studio Beta, a quick tip on your dashboard. So here we are in Studio Beta. You can see I'm currently in the dashboard. You can also look at videos, analytics, comments, and so forth. And you see on the dashboard you have all these little, I guess they call them widgets. Over here we have the latest video displaying with some summary of some analytics and some data information. You can dive into that further from there. You have your channel analytics over on the right hand side, but just below that is the thing I want to point out today. It's a little widget called Known YouTube Issues. Now this is a place where YouTube will post known issues with the platform anytime something's gone wrong, something's up. So this is the place that you should go to find out if something that you're experiencing is already being made aware of to YouTube, if it's something that they're working on and they've publicly said, hey, we're working on a fix, we know there's an issue and we're going to fix it up. So you can see currently we've got 4 issues that it's listing at the time of recording. One is about videos not appearing in subscriptions or on the channel page. Thumbnails not saving or showing the wrong image. That's been going on for a few weeks now for sure. Some analytics issues with January 22nd, 23rd due to an upload issue. So that is something they're currently reporting. And also that trimming is currently unavailable in Studio Beta. So there's different things there. They're the summaries. But then if you wanted to know more, say I want to know more about why aren't the videos appearing in my subscription feed or on channel page. So I can just click on that and it will take me straight to the YouTube help article for that particular issue. And you can see just on the side here, they've got a summary of the same issues that were also on the dashboard there for you. So yeah, back to Studio Beta, and there it is. A nifty feature if you ever come across something, instead of diving into a Facebook group or jumping on Twitter and say, hey guys, are you experiencing this issue? Then you might want to check here first and see if it's a known issue that's already been reported to YouTube and that they're working on a fix. So that's my quick tip for today. Stay tuned for more quick tips, more tutorials, and more tech for content creation.
Subscribe to Hewson YT for more tech for content creation.